Hi everybody, and today we are going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a camera. So, we've got the main body. Let's do a simple rectangle. There we are. Doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you roughly get the outline. We're going to do a circle just in the middle here. So that will be the lens, and then another circle inside that. There we are. So we've got the shutter at the top, and then a little button on there. This is all just made up using simple lines and shapes, which is quite easy. And then we've got the line at the top, just to give it a bit more detail. There we are. And then we've got maybe a few stripes here. There we are, so that is our camera done. Now we're going to add some colour. There we are, so we'll do the lens in black. Just because most cameras do have quite jet black lenses. There we are. Yes, this is quite a simple, quick and easy drawing to do at home, especially during this time. There we are. Got some black buttons here. There we are. I think today I am going to do a blue camera. There we are, so I've got my blue here. There we are. We'll have a yellow top here. There we are. Nice quick lines on there. Maybe some red just on the outside. Yeah, as you can see, this is probably looking a bit like a kind of retro style camera. Quite funky, quite bold and out there. And then we're going to add our green just here. There we are. Nice quick vertical line. And then we'll add some red just here. Now I think on my camera I'm going to leave the centre white, but you can colour it in. I always find colouring quite therapeutic and relaxing. Which is good. There we are. And there you have it, our retro style camera. I am Designs Holly, and if you'd like to look at any more of my drawings, then just go over and check my channel out. Thank you.